Introducing the Revolutionary Thunderstorm Kitchen Hood. Your ultimate culinary companion that effortlessly eliminates smoke, odor and greasy buildup, transforming your cooking experience fresh as a breeze. Its stunning slim body and skillful construction enable easy installation without major kitchen alterations. It has an intelligent smoke sensor for self-adjusting speed so you can fully concentrate on dishing out lovely meals. It understands you, move your hands, and this genie will act on it. The double air ducts are exclusively designed for Indian kitchens for fast smoke extraction. Powered by a BLDC motor and 3 design upgrades, create a high-performance suction system that never lets smoke wander around your kitchen. Its adjustable soft light illuminates your food in its original appearance. High-temperature steam cleaning eliminates stubborn oil stains and removes residual odor, leaving your kitchen odorless and always fresh. With double-section oil cups, cleaning them has never been so easy. With easy installation and skillful construction, its operating noise never exceeds 52 dB, so your cooking remains relaxing and meditative. Don't hold yourself back. Order now.